we're gonna show that it is worthy of some hands. So let's get it, dude. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Let's go. I gotta try to make it all the way across. That's the goal for today. Big puddle. Ooh-wee. All right, this could be a good one. Or go ahead and click the record button.
You just gotta hold it. All you gotta do is just keep touching. So where's the record button? So you just don't even know.
Right there.
All I gotta do.
Yeah, that's it. So we're already good. I think we're in a good position.
I'll follow you.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna try to send it all the way across. You ready?
Do you have enough balls to go underneath it?
Yeah.